Want to know how to understand and use charts and graphs in Money Manager? So statistics with charts and graphs is important in order to show how much you have actually spent and how much you have gained in a current month or daily. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first off, make sure you have any transaction with you. So now since I have this much amount of transaction with me and I need some statistics for it on a daily basis, again this is like stats right here. And now once you have like the stats, as you can see right here, your pie chart should be given right here. Fit it to your proper income and expenses, just like this, with the categories in it. So for me right now, my expenses is coming from household and culture as well, and my income is coming from others like salaries and much more. So you can also switch from monthly, weekly, annually period, and you can just simply switch according to you want as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.